Hi, I'm Chip and welcome to Tuesday Tips. Today we're going to be talking about rotary tools. Now, if you've ever had the opportunity to use a rotary tool, you know that it is in a category all its own. It really does what no other tool can do. Now, RYOBI has two models, a precision model and a tool station with a lot of additional features. Let's start with the 18-volt ONE Plus precision rotary tool. Now, this one is action-packed, it's lightweight, it's compact, and you notice there's no extension cord. This is battery powered. An extension cord just gets in your way when you're trying to do precision work. Now, this tool has 5 different speed settings. It comes with 12 different accessories that conveniently fit in the 1/8" collet. Now, this tool has lots of different uses, from polishing, engraving, carving, rust removal, and even light sanding and grinding on things from jewelry, glass, ceramics, leather, and more. All right, next up we've got the 18-volt ONE Plus rotary tool station. This is an incredibly versatile tool that has all the creature comforts you could ever hope for. With an adjustable dial-up RPM up to 34,000 RPM, this has the speed to do a lot of additional tasks like cutting, grinding, even heavier sanding on all kinds of different materials. It's got a 3-foot long shaft that allows you to get into your workspace. Very convenient, very easy, and again, this one's battery powered as well. Now, on board with this tool, it comes with 28 different accessories in the box and an onboard tool storage station. This thing is really action-packed. It's gonna get the job done for you quickly, easily, and safely. Thanks so much for watching this episode of Tuesday Tips. If you like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips, product announcements, even DIY projects. And make sure to comment below on what topic you'd like to hear about next. We'll see you next episode.